We often say the best views come after the hardest climb. And just when my feet start to pulse, my back aches, my legs are tired, I can't literally feel my breath, and I feel I'm almost dead tired. That's when I feel the most alive. That's the irony of hiking, right? When everything feels like an uphill struggle, just think of the views from the top. Well, there's no shortcuts to any place worth going. So let me take a moment to take you guys through my journey to summit the highest peak of Peak District, Kinder Scout. Here we go. Hey guys, it's Pooja Veera and welcome back to my channel. Starting this vlog with so much joy. Today we are going to a trek. I'm here at Riddhi's place and yeah, this was quite a sudden plan to go for a trek. So Riddhi, it's Riddhi's first trek. So even I am excited to accompany her, and also I'm gonna meet Jessina. So yeah, by the way, we are airport buddies. Riddhi, come here. Oh my god. Hello. We met in the airport and now we are finally going out for a trek. We are a bit in a rush because we have a bus in like 5 minutes and I'm vlogging still. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in a bus station probably, and you'll have to hook to the video till the end because I'm going to talk about the routes and prerequisites for going out for this trek. So yeah, catch me there.
हाय बोलो रे सब लोग नो यार So we are going to Kinder Scout. Now this is a trek which is going to take us somewhere around 6 hours. From Edel probably there's going to be a 15 to 20 minutes walk. So I'm really excited. Not sure what I might be able to see there, or maybe I might be able to complete this trek or not, because it's been a long time I've not done trek. From Piccadilly we are going to board into our train which is going to take us to Edel. So yeah, let's see how everything goes and let's go now.
So there was no toilets in the station, so we headed to Cafe Penny Pot, and from there I got this particular map which I'm probably going to follow. Oh my god, look at this! So it's going to take us somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes walk. Okay, so there is going to be a sign for Grindsbrook. You'll have to go straight from there. Okay, so from here you'll have to go inside. Also the weather is so sunny today. I'm quite liking it. I'm just hoping it doesn't rain because that's going to spoil my mood to another level. You're going to find steps just like this. So you are going to spot a lot of cute shit just like this. They are so adorable. I was so much pumped to kickstart this trek. Little did I know my views are going to be so mesmerizing. So I thought of taking you guys through my lens. This is going to be a lengthy vlog, so bear with me guys, as I'll try to capture every view from the trek and give you feels like as if you are actually doing this. Let's talk about Kinder Scout. It's a moorland plateau and national nature reserve which is at the elevation of 636 meters above sea level. It is considered as highest point in Peak District, also known as Peak of Peaks. There is going to be a circular trail of 7.5 miles. I'll link the steps that you need to follow to do this trek in the description box below, so make sure you eye on it. Apart from that, you'll also spot a lot of waterfalls here, so this is going to be a treat for your eyes. Also, this place is dog friendly, so you guys could easily take your dogs for a quick trek, and I'm sure they are going to enjoy it. Also, the paths are generally good but rugged on this circular route. So, good fitness level and hill walking shoes and clothing is essential. Make sure you guys keep yourself hydrated. That totally depends upon which weather you're going. And oh my god, can you guys believe? Is this for real? I just love the view which I saw. This trek has moderately challenging ascents and descents. Take care when walking near steep sections and gritstone edges. You'll have to literally climb the rocks. So please be very careful and do wear a nice trekking shoes because that's going to give a good grip while climbing over the rocks or maybe walking through it. Also, a quick reminder to take breaks whenever you feel like it's not the end of the world. Personally, for me, I was not quite exhausted because the weather was quite in my favor. I can literally see the top from here. We have finally reached. Just 2-3 minutes walk around these rocks and we'll be on the top. My god, this experience is surreal. Loved it. Woo! Bro, what is this view? There's so much greenery. This breathtaking moorland plateau is a walker's paradise. Accessible for villagers of Idale and Hayfield. The best part of this journey is you will go through many different landscapes. Being windy, I think my camera might fall anytime. Not sure if my camera is doing proper justice to this view, but oh my god. The part of this journey will take you through many landscapes illustrating diversity of Peak District. So just a heads up, there's going to be no network as soon as you reach Idale. You will get network once you are approaching towards the top. So make a note of that. Guys, misunderstanding, I thought I was in the top, but clearly I am not. So we have to head to the summit. How long will it take? Hitesh?
I think in another 10 minutes, you can see the peak over there.
So is it
So-
that one? Oh.
I guess, yes, that's the one where we are heading.
Oh.
That's the most beautiful point, I'm guessing so. You experience it now.
Also, there's a quite flat surface, so it's quite easy for us to walk.
Because I think the last checkpoint which we did,
Yeah.
so that since it was a steep curve up to the place,
Yeah. There was so much of rocks and hurdles. You know, we have to literally climb, and probably you must have seen in the clips.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm totally enjoying the view. How is your?
I mean, just surreal. Amazing.
Yeah, would totally recommend everyone to at least do this particular trek because this is highest peak here in Peak District or in UK.
In the Peak District. Here.
Peak District. That's why this is called Kinder Cloth.
Kinder Club, yes.
Oh, Peak of Peak. You are. you'll find a black soil that's quite moist. So there are probable chances that your legs will get pulled inside it. So you'll have to be very much careful while walking through that black soil. What's like he has something. I'm watching towards the summit. You guys could see that, right? So yeah, on our way, it took us somewhere around 2.5 hours to get to the summit point. And so it's pretty good. So we are finally here at the summit and the view is so beautiful. I'm gonna take a break of like 15 minutes. I'm gonna have some snacks and my protein bar. So it's very, 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 very windy here. And also the sun is coming and going. So on and off relationship. And okay, so we have started our descending. So approximately, I believe it should be an easy one. Also, I believe this trek is quite suitable for those who are, good with trekking, because beginners can't do this particular trek. This is what I feel, because there were lot of rocks, hurdles you need to climb. So yeah, would recommend this particular trek to only those who are really good with hiking skills. And since I have done a lot of hikes back in India, so that's why I was pretty confident that I should be able to do it. So now for the descending, I believe it's going to be a flat surface. It's not going to be much of a hurdle. So very easily we are gonna go down. It should probably take us like 2 hours approximately. This is what I'm anticipating. Let's see. But every time, everywhere I go, this view is surreal. Greenery everywhere. And it's this feels so good. So we are here at the end of this vlog. I think it's going to take us like more 5 minutes to reach Eden station. From there, I of course have a train to catch to go to my place, Watford. So overall, my experience was so good. Would recommend it 10 on 10 definitely. And yeah, the visuals and the nature, everything was just on point. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in another vlog of mine. If you have any queries regarding this particular vlog, you guys could DM me on Instagram. I would be more than happy to resolve your queries. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle goes with my name, Pooja_Bera. So see you guys in another vlog. Bye.